National Weather Service in Wichita has issued a flash flood warning for central Sedgwick County in Kansas until 10:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing torrential rainfall. This rain is expected to cause widespread flash flooding. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: Doppler radar and rain gauges. Impact: this is a life-threatening situation. Rapidly rising water will flood creeks, streams, roads, and low-lying areas. Residents in flood-prone areas are in immediate danger. Locations impacted include Wichita Sedgwick, Valley Center Andover, Hayesville Eastboro. Precautionary preparedness actions. Immediate action is required. Move to higher ground now. Turn around, don't drown. Never drive or walk through flood waters. It takes only a few inches of water to wash a vehicle away. If you live in a flood-prone or low-lying area, move to safety immediately. Be aware of your surroundings and do not underestimate the power of flooding. The flash flood warning for central Sedgwick County is in effect until 10:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time.